In this video, I will show you how to add a footnote to a document in Kurzweil 3000. First, make sure that you have the document that you would like to work with open in Kurzweil. Then, to add a footnote, place your cursor in the document where you would like the footnote to be added. For this example, I will add the footnote after the words DNA. Then, to add the footnote, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on the footnote icon. After you click on the footnote icon, a number will show up in the document where you set your footnote to be, in addition to a blank box for you to type in the text of your footnote. For example, I am going to type in as my footnote text, DNA was partially discovered by Watson and Crick.
DNA was partially discovered by Watson and
To close the footnote text that you just added, click the small X in the right-hand corner of the footnote window. To reopen a footnote that you wrote, double-click on its number in the document.
DNA was partially discovered by Watson and Crick.
The footnote will open and the footnote will be read to you by the reader if you have the audio options adjusted. To delete a footnote, click on its number in the document. Then click on the delete icon in the left-hand sidebar. Kurzweil will then open a dialog box asking if you want to permanently delete the selected footnote. If you would like to delete the footnote, click yes. You can then save your changes to this document. You can do this by going to the top left-hand corner of Kurzweil, clicking on File, and scrolling down to Save As. Click on Save As. You can then name your file and choose where you would like to save your file. Make sure that your file is in KESI file format. Then click Save. You can also choose to save your file to the Universal Library. For directions on how to do this, please see the video How to Save and Open Files Using the Universal Library in Kurzweil 3000.